Good morning, everyone. Class, today we will go with the revision of arithmetic operators. Under that, I will give you some question and I have given some explanation in this video of arithmetic operators. So, class, see to it. Class, first of all, the arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiply, divide, double divide. Divide gives decimal value result and this gives the integer value result. For example, 5 divided by 2 will give 2.5, but 5 double divided by 2 will give only 2. That is only the quotient part of it. This is the decimal to get the decimal till decimal, and this is to get till the quotient only. Means no need to we want to have only the integer value. This to get the remainder, and this is for the power. So class, these are the operators, arithmetic operator. Now I have selected one question for you to solve for arithmetic operator. Now we have to get the solution. In computer, if we type this directly, you will get this answer. But how to get output by your own? For that we need to learn this method. So class, in this, first of all, this bracket will be solved and the result will be 5, and this will be solved and result will be 3. Now after that the preference comes of power. So first of all, power will be solved and it will result 125, and minus 3 will come as it is, and finally answer is 122. So class, first of all bracket, and in this part in this part 6 divided by 2 will be there. So we are solving it directly, but by step also we can do. After bracket, divide has a preference, then power has a preference, then addition, subtraction, multiplication. So step by step also we can do, but here we can see that in this no problem with solving this. Now the next question says this. So first of all, we will solve both the brackets, this bracket and this bracket together, and what we will get from this bracket, we will get 5, from this bracket we will get 10. Now next preference is the multiplication. So first of all, multiplication, that is that is 25. Now after that, here 10 divided by 2 will result 5, and here you can see that 25 double divide by 4, this will result 6, because it is will give the integer value. So finally, what is the answer that you have getting is 6 plus 5, that is 11. So class, you type this in computer also, and then you will find the same result. Now your next, I have given some question for you. You go with these question. I will send you separately also. Now these output question we have done before holidays also, but still I want to solve some questions for you later on. You practice this. So class, this one, that is the first part. X is equals to 3, y is equals to x plus 2, and x plus equals to y, print x comma y. First part. In first part, x equals to 3. So first of all, you will write here 3, and y equals to x plus 2, that is 3 plus 2, x is 3 and plus 2, so will result 5. So second line is solved. Now third line, this x plus equals to y. What does it mean? X equals to x plus y. This x equals to x plus y. So x will be equals to x equals to x plus y. So it will result 3 plus 5, that is equals to 8. Now finally answer is x equals to 8 and y equals to 5. So this will be the answer. This and this will be the answer. So class, actually this video is getting a little bit hanged, so that's why. Now your next question. This one question I have taken the fourth part of it. Now in fourth question it is given p equals to 10, q equals to 20, p multiply divide by 3 and q plus equals to q, p plus q multiply 2. In this we have to get the answer for p and q. So I have taken two variable p and q. P equals to 10, p equals to 10 and q equals to 20. So first two line is solved. Now third line is p multiply equals to q divided by 3. So that means p equals to p multiply q by 3, that is 10 multiply 20 divided by this 3. So finally answer is 66.66. But fourth line is still left. Fourth line is q plus equals to p plus q multiply 2. So how I have written? Q, that is 20 plus within bracket p plus 20 p plus q multiply 2, that is 66.66 plus 20 multiply 2. So finally you have to solve the bracket and you will get this answer. So finally the print, if we'll give, then value of p will come 66.66 and value of q will come 126.66. So class, these previous question that I have given you before holidays, that you do again and make a proper notes of it. Means I meant to say that those who have not done, they can make a fair note, and those who have already done, they just go and revise this. That's all class.